Now that your measuring tape is on the first peg, what we're going to do is go across the measuring tape or go down and look at the measurements that are there. You can see right here it says at least 2 meters. So we have to be at 2 meters or more. So we go across this measuring tape and you can actually see that the first hole says B2. You can ignore that. That's not needed at this stage, and it's used during the calibration process. We're going to come back to the B2. We're going to keep going across until you get to the first hole, which is the 2 meter mark. The 2 meter is the shortest distance between the first peg, which is on the wall, and the second peg, which is going to be going up shortly. If you wanted a bigger drawing space, you could go to 2.25, 2.5, 2.75. And by the way, you see the A1 there? Again, you can ignore that. That's a calibration. That's used during calibration. 3 meters is another option. 3.25, 3.5, 3.75, and the largest distance between the first peg and the second peg is 4 meters. So a really, really large distance if you wanted to or if you had the space. In this drawing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to use the 2 meter distance. So down at the beginning of this measuring tape, we had the 2 meter. So in this tutorial, I'm going to make the distance between the first peg, which is on the wall, and the second peg 2 meters. So that's what we're going to do. So thanks for watching.